Hi, so this video is going to be going over submitting your project for HackerU Spring 2021. Hopefully the hackathon has went well for you so far and the hacking period has been productive. Some quick guidelines before we get to the submission steps. First, quick reminder, the maximum team size is 4 people and each of them must be listed on the Devpost submission. Each submission is going to need a video included with their submission, which is just a demo that's about at most 2 to 3 minutes long. Also, when submitting to the Devpost, you're going to need to specify the track that your hack is going to be considered for. A full list of these rules will be under the requirements section of the Devpost, which is the URL on my screen, or you can find it probably posted around the Slack as well. So, going to the requirements section, you can read the full requirements for the hackathon and all the guidelines that you must follow. And other than that, we're just going to jump to how to submit and some remarks on your submissions. So you're just going to click create project. If you don't have a Devpost account already, make one. And it's going to bring you right to this page where you're going to be able to invite your teammates. As I said earlier, all your teammates have to be on the Devpost. So you're just going to send them an email and they're going to get a Devpost link that will bring them to sign up and they'll be automatically put on the repository. Moving on, just a quick project overview is going to be necessary. So the project name, an elevator pitch, which is just like a short sentence that can be changed, but it's going to be used so judges can have a quick expectation when they open the Devpost. Moving on to the project details. The first thing we're going to need is about the project. So just some details on the project. So as you can see, some of the ideas, if you click on the text box, will be shown. It's basically like a README that you'll find on like a repository, and it's just so we have a verbal description of the project. Next is a built with question, and we're just going to be asking like what languages, frameworks, platforms, and stuff like that you built your hack with. And then we have some try it out links, which include like demos, the GitHub repository, and things like that. Moving on, we have the video demo link, which, as I said earlier, is at the max 2 to 3 minutes long. Preferably hosted on YouTube, but the other forms work as well. I recommend unlisting the video unless you want it to be public, but most people keep it unlisted for the hackathon. Moving on to some additional information on the submission. First of all, you're going to have to upload the zip file of your project, whether it's one file. If it's multiple, just zip it up and upload that. And then also, as I said, you're going to have to choose your track. So you can choose as many as you like that you think that your project fits. And that's going to be that for the tracks. In addition, we're just going to have some clarifying questions. So like what is the project that you decided to build? How did you decide to build this, etc. And the important question right here is that you have to link your repository for your project. Please make sure the repository is public so that we can view it, and any repository hosting site like GitHub or Bitbucket and things like that all work. And yeah, that's all the information we need from you. If you go to this tab, we're moving on, you're going to be able to see some reminders regarding like judging and some of the requirements that I went over. As per judging, just keep active on the Slack for the next few hours. And we'll have some instructions going out through the announcement tab where we'll keep you updated on the judging status. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the hackathon and you learned a lot. That's it.